1, 2, stop. One hand ready. This is side. This is front. You from diagonal. Ready. Only one hand. From diagonal go up. Turn your body. Your hand gradually go back. Closer to your chin. And then touch your body. Go down. Body turn to the diagonal. And then hands go out. From diagonal go up. Gradually to the side. Go to your chin. And then touch. Follow the center line. Stop. The center of your palm with the center line of your body. Go down. Turn. Hand to the abdomen. Body turn, finish. To the diagonal. And then go. 1, body turn. 2. The meaning is gather qi from the universe and then bring qi back into your body. And then qi from inside go down, clean your body. Gather qi from the universe into your body, cleaning. Body turn, finish, hand finish. 1, closer to your chin. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then change other side from here, from diagonal. This is front and then diagonal. Ready? 1, turn your body to the chin. 2, 1, gather qi into your body, clean your body. With love, gather qi and love from the universe into your body. And then give you nutrition and cleaning. 1, 2, gather qi, cleaning your body. 2, okay, and then other side, go. 1, freeze, and then 2, freeze. 1, turn your body. One hand gather qi, one hand clean your body. 2, same. One hand gather qi, one hand clean your body. Change. Go. Change. Go. You can see your hand. You also can feel another hand. Hand go up, curved back. Hand go down is straight with the center line of your body. Go. 1, 2. Continue. Follow me. Keep your eyes on me to see my 2 hands synchronized. One hand go up, then another hand go down. And then exchange. Gather qi and clean your body. Even your throat or chest have some problem. And then this is for healing, self-healing. Even your emotion have problem from your heart. And then you feel remove your negative feeling. With gentle smiling, you feel energy from the universe with love, and then clean your body. Sit up, okay, closer to you. Can you see? So here is open, closer to your chin, and then touch, make sure the center with your center line. And then from here, touch, okay? Begin, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Stop. For beginners, if you turn your body with your hands, you have hard time. You can always facing forward. You can do like this. But like this, so your hand make a small circle. If you can turn your body, make a big curve, so you can gather more qi. Better is turning your body. Last time. 1, 2,